kids, welcome back. We are here today with another of our 12 Days of Christmas homemade gifts. Today we are making Play-Doh gift boxes. It's day 8 in our 12 Days of Homemade Christmas, and today we are going to be making Play-Doh and then making fun little gift boxes to put the Play-Doh in. This is a super simple recipe. I'm going to double it for this because we're all three making a different type of gift box. But typically one of these batches will do about 4 of the little Play-Doh sized containers. All right, are you girls ready? So first you will want, for this doubled recipe, 4 cups of flour. We want a 1.5 cups of salt, 8 teaspoons of cream of tartar. All right, and now we're gonna mix that really well in our pot to make sure it's nice and stirred in before we add our wet ingredients. 4 cups of warm water. And 4 tablespoons of oil. And we're gonna stir that up really good. And now we're gonna take it over and cook it on medium heat. And what's gonna happen is it's gonna ball up. And let's go do that. All right, we are gonna keep this over medium heat, stirring it constantly. All right, this texture is really starting to get close now. All right, that looks like the perfect consistency of Play-Doh. Let's take it over there and dye it. Okay, we have divided this Play-Doh into 3 bowls because we're each gonna do a little bit different with it. I am just gonna take this white Play-Doh and I'm gonna add this white sparkly glitter and make snow because my little gift bag is gonna be a snowman making kit.
Mine is for my cousin Nathan and he loves dinosaurs, so I'm gonna have an orange with some dinosaurs and a little bitty bowling pin.
And mine is going to be pink with pink sparkles.
All right, let's get started. And it's cool enough that we can mix it with our hands, but if not, you have a spoon. All right, there's my Play-Doh. It's nice and sparkly. Now I'm gonna put this in a Ziploc bag so it doesn't dry out. Even though we're putting these in tins, it's just always a good idea. There's nothing worse than opening up crusty Play-Doh. For my snowman kit, I have this we found these fun little containers with a clear lid. And in my container, I have a snowman cookie cutter and some fun little beads so that they can make little snowman eyes. Look, little snowman noses that we actually found, and all sorts of little fun Christmas beads and things. And we even found these little teeny rolling pins, which are gonna be perfect for rolling out the Play-Doh. So that is my little gift pack. You can put the Play-Doh in there, seal the lid, and they can make Play-Doh snowman all season long. Now I will make a note. You don't want to do this. This is not a good gift for kids that are small enough they'll swallow things because it's got some teeny tiny little pieces. Let's see what the girls do.
Okay, so mine is bright orange for my cousin. I'm just gonna stick this in a bag. Hope that it does not dry out. So this is the Play-Doh. And I got him a little box of just shiny things. He likes shiny things. His favorite thing, besides trains, are dinosaurs. So I got him little dinosaurs. So I'm just sticking this stuff in the box. Easy peasy. And now we can decorate with his name or however we want. These are super cute little boxes and I hope he likes it.
All right, so I finished mine. Mine is pink and very sparkly. So I'm just gonna get this in a Ziploc bag. And my box is a little bit different. It's got the Play-Doh. It also has a little compartment that has, instead of dinosaurs, it still has, I use the same gems that Makayla did, but I also have little butterflies. Instead of like dinosaurs, I have a couple of little figures like Minnie Mouse, and there's a bunny and Snow White. So we have that and another little rolling pin, and that is my box.
Okay, we are all done and we've got 3 super fun Christmas gifts. This is a wonderful project for you to work on with your kids, or if you know kids, to make it for them. It doesn't even have to just be Christmas. This is a super fun thing all year round. Did y'all have fun making these and curating these little boxes? Thank you so much for joining us. We hope that you will stick around and join us tomorrow as we keep on keeping on in our 12 days of homemade gifts.